Hi, today I'm going to do microwave scrambled eggs. Eggs in the microwave? Yes, you can do it in the microwave. So it starts out like any other scrambled eggs. I have 2 tablespoons of milk, or this is half and half, and 2 eggs. These happen to be just extra large eggs, but you could use large eggs or even the pre-made scrambled eggs in the container. Salt and pepper. And in the microwave, after it's done, I like to add butter to just make it creamier. Or you could add fillings. I have deli ham that I've chopped up and a slice of bacon. The idea is to use cooked ingredients so you don't have to cook raw ingredients in the microwave. And I'll finish with cheese. So, like any other scrambled eggs, you start out with eggs and cream or dairy, and you just start beating the eggs. And some say that you should whip the eggs or beat the eggs at least 30 seconds or 100 strokes. It's up to you how mixed you want it. But I generally go about 30 seconds. After it's all mixed, I also add a little salt, just a shake. That's probably less than a eighth of a teaspoon, and just a couple of shakes of pepper. Again, salt for sure, pepper is optional. Just mix this in, and I'll take to the microwave. All right, you want to make sure you have a microwavable heat-proof bowl. So into the microwave oven it goes for 45 seconds. So I'm going to mix this together and throw this into the microwave for another minute. All right, it's been another minute. Let's take a look. Eggs have definitely firmed up. I'll give it a stir. Since I've have the butter, I'm going to add the butter and the cheese. It's still a little wet, but it should set after some time. But here's the cheese. Mix it together. That's still hot, so remember, use a heating pad. And if you like it a little more firm, just throw it in the microwave for another 15 seconds. But it's pretty much set right now. Alright, the eggs are done. The cheese is melted. The eggs are nice and firm. Just in case this bowl is still hot, I'll put it on top of a saucer. And it's ready to eat. Nice cheesy ham and bacon scrambled eggs. No explosions. Let's give it a try. It's good. You could taste the ham, the bacon. I add the butter. The butter adds a little more richness. Salt and pepper to taste. Easy peasy.